How's everybody doing? OZBoy81. First and foremost, I'd like to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all your guys' support. Yeah, so today I brought out the Redcat. This was the chassis kit. I put the Endura hard body. It's a Comanche. Don't have the mirrors on there just because they're the hard plastic ones and they break off fairly easy, but I'm trying to find some like rubber ones that kind of would be on this kind of truck. Just running the little 2S little shorty pack. It's got a little interior and stuff and scaled driver in there, some little stuff on the back. It wasn't the original paint job I was going to do, but that's kind of how it came out. I'm running the RC 4-wheel drive Patagonians, MTs, the 1.9s. They are the smaller 1.9s. I'm running the cantilever suspension in the rear, as you can see right there. Still running the shocks in the front. Got the Bauhaus flat skid. Everything else is pretty much stock on this. I did run like a little flat or a little TRX aftermarket, I don't know, skid or something. Help with the servo so you don't bash it in. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Not super capable, but still fun to take out on the rocks. Just because it's a hard body and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I appreciate all you guys that are subscribed to the channel. There are a lot of you guys that aren't officially subscribed, so make sure you guys hit that bell button. It does help out the channel. I'd like to see it grow some more. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. This is OZBoy81. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.